How to do sidestep clap hands on the touch. Sidestep clap hands on the touch is a dynamic, low-impact cardio movement that involves lateral steps with rhythmic hand claps when your foot touches down. It's great for warming up or for adding coordination and fun to a workout. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Starting position. Stand tall with your feet together. Keep your arms relaxed at your sides. Engage your core and soften your knees. 2. Sidestep movement. Step your right foot out to the side. Immediately follow with your left foot, bringing it next to the right or close to it. At the same time, your left foot touches down. Clap your hands once in front of your chest or overhead. Then step your left foot out to the left side and bring the right foot in to meet it. Clap again as your right foot touches down next to the left. Continue rhythmically. Repeat the side steps and claps alternately to the left and right. Keep a steady rhythm, staying light on your feet. Maintain a slight bend in the knees and a light bounce to stay active. Tips. Keep the pace moderate or fast depending on your fitness level. Arms should move naturally, with claps timed to foot touches. Please check my next video.